Welcome to on YouTube. Today we will walk you through creating a cinematic video behind text effect in CapCut PC. Start by adding a white background to your project. Head to the library section, then drag and drop. Next, place a text layer on top of the background. Type in your desired text and adjust the font size and color to fit your style. Select both the text layer and the background layer. Right click and select Create Compound Clip. Next, drag your main video clip onto the timeline and position it below the compound clip. Trim the video to your desired length. To enhance the cinematic effect, add a simple animation to the text at the start and the end of the text layer. Set position and scale keyframes. With the compound clip selected, and go to the blending section and choose brighten. This will reveal the video behind the text. On the last keyframe, scale the text up slightly for a zoom in effect. That's the video behind text effect. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.